Okay, 20 questions. Who, what, where are you?
Is it a person?
No.
Is it a place?
No.
Is it an animal?
No.
अरे यार, is it a thing?
Yes.
Oh God.
But easy one.
Is it a tangible thing?
Yes.
Is it a thing made of metal?
Yes. उसमें bit of plastic भी होता है लेकिन mostly it's metal.
Is this thing usually found in house?
Yes.
Is it something that is found in the kitchen?
No.
No, मैं तो प्लेट सोच रही थी.
Oh.
ना करने लायक था नहीं. Is it a thing found in a bathroom?
No.
No. Is this thing something that you can easily pick up?
Oh, yeah.
Do you usually carry this thing?
Most people don't usually carry this thing.
Is this thing usually kept in a bedroom?
No.
Is this thing found at a gym?
No.
Is this thing small enough to fit in your palm?
Yes.
Is this thing usually found at an office?
Yes. Anywhere where there's a little bit of formal work, study.
Okay. Is this some stationary item?
Yes.
कितने questions बचे?
5 questions left.
Is this thing right here in our study table?
Yes.
Oh, is this thing used to keep papers together?
Yes.
एक stapler भी और pin भी हो सकती है. Does this thing upon use does make a click sound? Pin से sound नहीं आता ना ऐसे.
Yes.
And it is a stapler.
It was a stapler.
Yay.
Good job.
Woo!
Subscribe.